techminepro.
What's up guys, welcome back to techminepro YouTube channel. So today we are back with another video, and today's video about a project called LayerZero. And today's video will be different. I made lots of video but I didn't make this type of video, and so this video will be different from others video, so keep watching. So this is the website called LayerZero, and this is a very strong project, and you can see this is seamlessly connected blockchain, and this is a based on omni-chain international protocol. So you can see the interface of this website. You can go to the website and you can check all the statics of this website. So you can see there are a lot of investors. You can see they Coinvest invested in the LayerZero, also Polygon, FTX, Avalanche, Uniswap, Phantom, and also Binance. You can see, and also there are a lot of, so it's mean this a very strong project, and I will bring an article link in the video description. So you will get the link in my Telegram channel. So this is the Telegram channel. You will get this link. Just copy it and paste it in the browser. So you will get this article link and go to this article and you will find all the details. So in this video we have a chance to earn $2,000 from just $5 investment. We all know this previously. Aptos network just airdropped us a big amount of airdrop, so most of people just earn $1,000 minimum. So I think this is also a that type of project. So this is very in potential, and this also I think bigger than Aptos network. I think there is a very high chance that they will be also give airdrop in the future. So for this, how you can get the airdrop, so we're gonna find out today. So first you can see the what is the strategy. We will try to qualify for the potential LayerZero airdrop, not confirmed yet, but highly, like as they have already mentioned their token name Zero. You can see they have mentioned that they will be create a token called Zero. So you can see. So what is the LayerZero? So LayerZero is an omni-chain interoperability protocol that enables the realization of cross-chain application with a low-level communication primitive. So you can see there what is LayerZero. You can read it. So the question is why could be a airdrop. So Stargate Finance recently raised a whopping 135 million funds led by Sequoia Capital, FTX Ventures, Anderson Horowitz, Coinbase Ventures, PayPal Ventures, Tiger Global, Uniswap Labs, and others investors. So they have enough fund to make it one of the biggest airdrop ever. So also this is the first ever Web3 project that is invested by PayPal. So this is also a first project that PayPal just invested in the Web3 section. So you can see. So how to qualify for this airdrop? So you can see this is a potential airdrop. There are only few platforms that are currently live on LayerZero. Some of them are free testnet, and some of will cost some money. But since the goal is to get it done under $5, I will share the method first, but we'll also cover some other way that we may increase the chance of getting the airdrop. So this is the first steps how you can qualify for airdrop in the future. So first you need to buy some dollars. So you can see I just mm, transferred this amount BNB from Binance to the MetaMask wallet. You can get the MetaMask wallet just by search it. So just search MetaMask. you will get the MetaMask extension. Just install it in your browser. Okay, so after install, you have to switch to the BNB chain, Binance chain, mainnet, and you have to deposit some $5, $10, or $50 as you wish. But I suggest to deposit $15. It is recommend but not mandatory. You can try with $5, but I suggest to do with 10 or $15. Okay, so today I'm going to just show you with the $5 method. So it's your wish how much dollar you want to do it. So I'll go with $5. After receive the BNB, you need to search for PancakeSwap. Sorry. Go to the PancakeSwap. Now you just need to connect the wallet. So just connect the wallet. Wait, I just need to disconnect my previous one and just connect with the new wallet. So I just need to connect the wallet. So I want to connect this wallet. So just select it and press next and connect it. So now you can see my BNB balance is showing here. Now I need to buy some STG token. So for the STG token, we need to copy our smart contract address. So this is a BSC smart contract address. So just copy it. If you're using on Ethereum network, and you need to copy this one, Ethereum one. But today I'm going to show you with the BSC chain. So also I will suggest to do it in the Ethereum because this will be high chance to get airdrop if you do it in the Ethereum chain. So it's your wish, but I will suggest to do it in the Ethereum. I will also do in another wallet with Ethereum, but this wallet I will do it in BSC chain. So now I'm going to copy the BSC address. So copy it and just paste it in the PancakeSwap, and you will get the called STG token. So just click on import and just click I understand and just import it. So you can see the STG token has added. So now I will going to buy $5 of STG token. So first I need to $5. Okay, this amount BNB, just copy it. Copy it and just search for STG. Okay, so just paste it, and you can see I will get 9 STG token. So I am going to swipe it now. Click on confirm. It's done. Now you can add STG in a wallet. Just click on add token. So you can see my balance is transferred. So now I can see my STG balance here. You can see I have 9.89 STG token in my balance. Now what we have to do, just cancel it and go back to the article. Now you need to go to this link. Now go to the Stargate Finance Staking Lab. Just go to the link, and I need to change my wallet. So you can see I just changed to my another wallet. So wait for the click on available, and you can see my STG balance is showing here. So just click on that, and after that just click on max, and also click on their max, and you can see I have to log this STG token for 3 years. After 3 years I can unlock it. So I will suggest to do it in the 3 months because you will get bigger amount of voting power. So if you do it with 1 month, you can see you will get so much low voting power here. So I will suggest it to max it if you have lots of money. So I will suggest to max it and just click on the create stake. So it will want a permission, just click on confirm. Now it will need another confirmation. Just click on confirm. If you do it in the Ethereum chain, there will be lots of Ethereum fees, I think. So it's your wish if you want to do it in the Ethereum chain. So but I recommending to do in the Ethereum also. Okay, but I'm doing now in the BSC chain. That's all. I think it's almost done. Now just click on stake, and you can see my voting power now showing. I have almost 9.9 STG voting power. And now go to the next steps. So you can see I done stake. Now once you stake the token, you get the voting power. Yes, I got it. Now keep voting on target finance governance proposal regularly. So go to this link, and you have to vote in the proposal regularly. So there are no active proposal recently. Also you have to join this, must be, otherwise maybe you will not get qualification of the airdrop. So it's very important to join it. And now you have to regularly vote on this target DAO protocols and the proposals. So there is no running proposal recently. So when the new proposal come, I will be update you in my Telegram channel. So this is our Telegram channel. You have to must join here to get the notification or the update of the new proposal. So this is very important to propose and vote in the proposal, because this is also a criteria of this qualify for the airdrop. So this must be you need to vote in the proposal for qualify for the airdrop. So this one done. I think when the new proposal come, I will be notified in my Telegram channel. So join in the Telegram channel. So first step is done, I think. Now go to the next steps. Apart from this, you can use the Bello protocol as well, which is currently on testnet. This in testnet, this is not in mainnet. So this is free one. You don't need any dollar to use it. So you can use it for free. However, I would suggest you to use them on mainnet as well when it goes live. So you need to use it on mainnet also when it come in mainnet. So now it's in the testnet. So just go to this link and use it. So you have to claim some faucet. Just click on faucet USDC, and you can get some USDC here. So after getting USDC, Ethereum and faucet AVAX, you need to just bridge some Gorilla testnet to Fuji. Okay, so this one very simple. You just need to bridge it. So and it's free. You don't need any dollars and money to deposit here and swipe here. So it's free. So use it for the qualification of this airdrop and complete 10 or more transaction. Okay, now the second steps just go to this link. Now just you need to connect your wallet. Just connect it. And also you need to connect your Aptos network wallet. So I am using Martian wallet. So I'm just entering my password. You can see I connected my MetaMask and the Martian wallet. Now you need to just wait. Now what you just need to swipe some USDC to USDC. Okay, so just click on max and you can swipe it in the USDC to Aptos USDC. So do it, and you can see use bridge to transfer asset through the Aptos network. Two things: bridge allow you to transfer USDT to USDT Ether via Aptos from Ethereum, Arbitrum, Optimism, Avalanche, Polygon, and BSC networks. And it is a bridge on LayerZero using which we can send tokens between Ethereum and Aptos. You can send tokens from Ethereum to Aptos network. This is just bridge. You can use it. Also, you can add liquidity, add liquidity, and just redeem. Just use the platform, okay? And also use the swipe, okay? So if you done all using all the feature of this website, you can complete this step 2. So after completing the step 2, you can go to the next one. So you can use also Uniswap on Hashflow. In Uniswap, you just need to swipe some amount like Ethereum to USDC. That's it. Okay. So this is the airdrop, and this is the project. So do it for the future airdrop. I think this is also a will be airdrop like Aptos network. So this is very potential to they have a token in the future. You can see they have mentioned in their source code, in they have mentioned the GRO token will be coming soon. So I think this will be very important to use this platform to get a airdrop in the future. And also if you don't want to get and miss any update, so join in our Telegram channel. This is our Telegram channel. Join here, and techminepro Telegram channel. Just join here, and you will get all the updates. And also you will get lots of new airdrops daily, which are 100% legit, and we don't share any fake airdrops. Okay, so you can see. Also you can join our Telegram group. Join it, and you can ask any question. We will answer your question. Okay. So thanks for watching the video. And if you didn't subscribe to our YouTube channel, this is very important to subscribe. So just click on subscribe and also turn on all notification for the next interesting video. So till then, take care.